soul family of Mystic Crab. This is Sudipta the Mystic Crab, and I'm here with your monthly reading for all the zodiacs. Please check your sun sign, moon sign, or rising, and then go check out the reading for the particular zodiac that you resonate with. Okay, please like, share, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram so that we can share this message not just with you. I can also send this message out to whoever needs to hear it. Just help me help everybody else who needs to hear certain messages which I channel for you guys over here. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get into clearing the space first. All right, angels, archangels, all the spirits that walk in the white light, and the ascended masters, please help us get the right guidance for all the zodiacs which are present here today to listen to this reading. Help us cleanse this space so that we are ready for the reading. Let's get started. Hi beautiful Cancers, let's get into your reading for this month of August. Let's see what Spirit has for you guys coming this week. No, this month, sorry. Okay. Oh, what do we have for the beautiful Cancers? I'm a Cancerian. I'm excited to know what's coming for me. Your dreams need a practical plan. Full moon in Taurus. Very grounded earth energy. You could be involved with a Taurian in your life, an earth sign in general in your life, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or you could have one of those signs in your chart. Sorry, I had to just settle in. I was just sinking in my chair. Sorry about that. So what I'm feeling for you guys at this point is you might be having some vivid dreams, and those dreams carry some meaning. You need to try to remember those dreams. You can journal those dreams and see if there is some dream which is reoccurring. That is an indication from the universe is trying to send you some message. Cancerians, you are pretty sensitive to energy and also very intuitive by nature. So you'll just know when something means something. So I feel if you've been having vivid dreams, I have been having vivid dreams past few days. So if you have been having vivid dreams, try to journal them. Keep a dream journal next to you, write them down, what's going on. You just don't know what's going on then, don't worry, don't break your head then, but in a day or two you are going to find some kind of a link with something else that goes on in your life. All right, so it seems like there are some messages coming in the dreams for you guys. Also, if you have had some plans in your mind or bigger visions in your life for yourself, you need to start working towards them practically so that they can come into your reality. Don't just make make some kind of plans in the air but not actually act on it. And while I'm saying that to you, I know I need to do that too, because I have so many projects lined up. I have just been so I don't know, lethargic or whatever you can say. I have been procrastinating for some reason. Don't do that, because you are very energy sensitive and you pick up on energy from here, there, everywhere, which is not even your energy, and you end up not doing what you need to do for yourself. So as I'm saying this to you, this is something I'm gonna listen to later as well. So this is some advice for myself as well. Okay, I'm not just giving you this advice, this is an advice I'm giving to myself as well, because right now I'm channeling I'm just getting the messages the angels are sending or sharing through me with you guys, so I have to come back and listen to them myself as well. Okay, so that's what I'm feeling for you guys. There's a lot of stuff going on in the dreams, and also the second message is if you have bigger visions for yourself, you need to start working on them. Also, I feel there is something going on around your throat chakra, so you might want to work on your throat chakra with your expression. And if some of you have been holding emotions in your body and you have not been expressing it and communicating it, this is an indication you need to do that. You need to release it out of your system, otherwise it is going to cause you a lot of other kind of ailments in your body. Because after your emotional body gets hit and we do not release those energies from the emotional body, it gets stagnated in your physical body, and that's what starts manifesting as diseases. So you don't want that. At least I don't want that. Fourth chakra, Archangel Raphael. The healing angel is with you guys. The healing angel. And the beautiful thing is, look at the color here. It's green, and the color on this card is green. The color that Archangel Raphael emanates is green, the healing light. So I also feel spending some time in nature, like, you know, if you can go lay on some green grass, it can help you ground your energy and get you into more balance with yourself. Also, like walking barefoot on grass, or just spending some time where, you know, you have a lot of greenery around you, something like that could also help you at this point, because I feel there's a lot of healing energy around us, and at the same time it is the earth energy which is allowing us to heal. So, you know, with all the greenery around us, with all the plants and trees and the forests around us, that's gonna help you feel more grounded and allow that healing to speed up more. Okay, so if you can do that, that's amazing. Daughter romance number 33. Oh my god, for some of us, daughter romance is opening. So if your heart has been shut for a very long time, this Archangel Raphael is also opening your heart up for romance, giving you a chance to welcome love into your life again. And for some of you, this could also mean if you have been working towards somebody, waiting for them to open their hearts, Archangel Raphael is helping them as well, so that, you know, this door to romance between the two of you can open up, so that finally something can start moving forward for you guys. Oh, this is sweet. This is really sweet. And the number 33 indicates the presence of all your ascended masters around you, blessing you on this beautiful journey. So all your ascended masters, as Krishna, Buddha, Jesus, Ram, Hanumanji, they are all like ascended masters who have actually walked on this earth before us. So they are here, they are blessing you. That's the number 33's indication. Okay, so wow, what a beautiful energy. So even that your dream needs a practical plan. I feel for a very long time things have not been moving practically in your love life, so I feel that's going to also move forward as you start grounding yourself, because you've been in your head a lot. Cancerians tend to think a lot. I know that. I'm a Cancerian. I think a lot, and then I get a headache and I end up doing nothing. So guys, get out of that. Okay, don't give it into that mental thinking too much. Start acting as well. So I feel that is also something which is coming your way. Patience. Patience, number 16. This is also like the divine timing. So apparently everything is happening the way it is supposed to happen on divine time. It's exactly when it is supposed to happen. So if you've been feeling things have not been working your way, that's exactly how it is supposed to happen. So start believing that. Once you start believing that, you will start living in that energy that everything happens for me, not to me, for me. That is why you will start, you know, letting go of the resistance and that want to have control over everything, and that'll help you surrender to the divine, to the universe, to the source, to God, whatever you subscribe to, whatever label you subscribe to. It's gonna come and help you have your life, you know, structured in a way which is in your highest good. Okay, so allow that to happen. Don't be resistant in your own way. So stop being wrapped around your head. Let go, okay, and work towards a practical solution towards everything that you have been going through. So this card was falling off. Oh my god, guys, man with a heart. So for many of you, I feel that, you know, your romantic life has been going kaput for a very long time, but I think it's changing. There's romance coming your way. There's this man, and for some of you this could be a woman, who's coming with their heart full open. Archangel Raphael is helping them open their heart. And if there's been delay in this communication for this door of romance to open, this was divinely planned. It's God's timing which is in play, okay, for whatever has been going on, and for whatever reason you've been feeling this delay. Wow. Wow, I'm so happy for whoever is going to receive something. Okay, let me know, guys. Just drop me a message in the comments when you receive anything like this. It just makes me feel so good when I'm able to channel these messages for you, and it resonates with you, and it happens in your reality. It really makes me feel very accomplished, and feel really happy that I was able to channel well for you guys. All right, so please drop me a message or a comment. Okay, let's see what the tarot has for you guys. And trust me, I'm not just saying these things to you just because I'm sitting here. I listen to myself. I do take my own advice as well. I'm very wise when I'm channeling. Oh God, abundance, 3 of Cups. Guys, there's a lot of celebration coming your way. A lot of celebration coming your way. A lot of good energies coming your way. So allow this to come to you organically. Don't try to resist it. God's timing has been in place. So everything that you felt has been delayed for a very long time. That's exactly how it was supposed to happen. This could also mean for some of you, if you're getting into a business deal, this could involve 3 people. So that could be something. And the other message I'm getting is also the union of the mind, body and soul, the coming together of the Trinity of your own being. So that is also something that is going to happen this month, okay? So that's the energy that I am picking up on. Ace of Cups. Oh my God, I am telling you guys, I feel there is some kind of proposal coming for someone. Whoever gets a proposal, do comment please, or send me a message. You have my email ID. Just drop me an email if you don't want it to be public. I'll be so happy. I'll be so happy to know that, you know, somebody got a proposal. I don't know, I don't even have words to express how happy it'll make me feel. And bottom of the deck, there's Temperance, because there's been a lot of patience that's been required for a very long time, and now things are moving. Now things are moving. There's gonna be celebrations. There's gonna be some kind of offer coming your way, and this is something that is coming to stay. It's gonna stay. It's not gonna be something that's fleeting, okay? Let's see what's the message from the universe. What do you have for us? The moment I realign with love, clear direction is presented to me. And where do you think love resides? In your heart. So stop being wrapped around your head. Stop being wrapped around your head and thinking so much. Just let go and let things happen the way they are supposed to happen. You go and do the work that you're supposed to put in towards the, you know, ideas you have, so that universe can start, you know, once you open that channel up where you're not concentrating on one thing that you want versus you're working on something that you really have been thinking about for a very long time, that's when universe has that open channel to send this thing to you. So open yourself up to that, okay? Don't be afraid, don't resist, align with the universal energy of love, and trust me, things are working out. And it's working out in your love life, it's going to work out in your family life, it's going to work out in your career, in your finances, in every way. You are going to be abundant. That's what's coming your way. There's going to be a lot of celebration, okay? And you guys owe me a party after that. All right, that's what I have for you guys today. Please share this message with whoever it can help. I'm sending you so much love, and until I meet you next time, namaste. Bye.